Did you know that manufacturing and distribution companies are making a common mistake that's leaving millions of dollars on the table? What is this mistake? Let me tell you. They're manually managing their rebate process and growth strategies, and it's costing them big time. Here's Dan to tell you more.
I'm sorry to say that manufacturers and distributors miss out on growth because they have a slow and inefficient rebate process. The good news is that if you can fix this, it can be the difference between stagnation and profitable growth.
Yeah, so how do we know this? Well, we recently asked more than 300 CFOs and general managers to tell us about their growth and financial challenges and how they overcame them. We've compiled our findings into a report full of insights. Here's Anissa with some of the headline stats.
Here's what we discovered. 60% of companies are enhancing their channel and partner programs. 56% are implementing rebate and incentive programs. 54% are focusing on price optimization, and another 54% of respondents are using advanced sales processes and tools.
So what are these stats telling us? Well, it's that a global economy requires a mix of financial strategies. You certainly need strong pricing, but we can't understate how important advanced sales and incentive strategies are too.
Customer sentiment and behaviors will change as economic conditions change. The key, therefore, to building stronger pricing and rebate strategies has to be to exactly understand how your customers' views are changing.
In which case, I have an important question for you. Do you know what motivates your customers? Because if you don't tailor your incentive program to meet your customer needs, it simply won't work.
We have to look at the big picture. Our report reveals that if manufacturers and distributors want to drive meaningful growth and profitability, they need a unified pricing, selling, and rebate management program.
So check out Vendavo's 2024-2025 Top Growth Drivers Report for manufacturing and distribution to learn how leading companies are scaling their rebate management strategies and growing profitably. Visit Vendavo.com to download the report.